ABC 7 business commentator Jeff Stern joins us now with a check on Wall Street so far today. And Jeff, it's been a short week of trading, but the markets have been going higher again.
Scott, that's right. Monday we were off, so we started Tuesday. Dow Jones Industrial Average up about 0.75 for the week so far, while NASDAQ's about 0.5%. S&P right around 0.25% for the week so far for the year. The the NASDAQ's leading about 6.5% for the year. Dow 5.5% or so, and the S&P is trailing just a little bit, about 4.5%. We know that we heard earlier with the government shutdown, but the markets seem not to be bothered. They've been treading higher ever since we started 2018. The 10-year Treasury is trading right around 2.63. That's just inching up. And oil, about $63 a barrel. That's been rising as well. We know the futures have been mixed this week, but this morning when I woke up to that cold weather, I looked and they were positive. So let's see how we're currently trading. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is down 41 points, 25,976.16% in the negative. NASDAQ's actually positive, almost 14 points to 7,309. S&P positive as well, 2,800, up almost 3 points, 0.1% in the positive.
Well, Jeff, oil has been trending higher. What role does the United States have in oil prices going forward?
That's a great question, Scott. We know, like I mentioned, oil is trading around $63 a barrel. Let's not forget 2016 wasn't that long ago at $26 a barrel. With this explosive increase, the U.S. production really could pass Saudi Arabia this year and give Russia a big challenge for the top producer overall for all the countries. This year should be a record-setting year for the U.S. in the oil space, looking about 10.4 million barrels and rising. Major producers and OPEC have tried to cut production in 2016 as well as 2017, but with the U.S. producing so much oil, they actually offset those cuts by about 60%. Oil dropped actually about 1% on this news because the U.S. is having a lot of production and really increasing the supply, and as we know, oil bases a lot of it on supply and demand, so the U.S. is really could be the #1 producer of oil soon, which means we're going to be able to have the price of oil a little more smooth, not as dependent upon other countries as far as Saudi Arabia and Russia to really control the oil price, which is really good for everybody. We know a lot of the oil companies, Scott, have big dividends. They haven't been performing as well over the last couple of years, so before you go out and run and buy ExxonMobil and Chevron and all those companies, make sure they fit your overall portfolio. But as far as U.S. and oil producer, they're really going to control the price on oil coming up.
Okay. Jeff, thanks so much.
Have a great weekend, Scott.
You too.